Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this arrangement and do a sort of dub style mixing whilst I'm recording the arrangement. So I'll be using the fades as the arrangement is recording, and also the sends to send effects primarily to the Echo device. Okay, so let's record this and see what happens. So what we'll do is we'll start up here. Field is down because I want to fade the field recordings in, like I mentioned. And Prism I'm going to leave like that with the send already on, and then I'll do some other stuff on the fly and just see what happens. I can always go in and correct it later. Okay, let's do this. Here we go, hitting record. 2, 3, 4.